In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to buy cryptocurrency on TradeLocker. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to TradeLocker.com and then sign into your account. Now once from here, it should bring something like this. Now from here you'll need to go over to the left hand side and go over to where it says panels over here, and then just choose the first one called Market Panel. You can also click M on your keyboard to get this page up right here. Now from here you'll need to select a cryptocurrency that you want to purchase or trade, and you can do that by go up to the search bar up here and then just type in the cryptocurrency that you want to trade. So let's say I want Bitcoin to USD, I can click right here, and then you'll see over here in the chart that will be updating to the BTC USD crypto major. You can also click up here again and click Ethereum USD like here, and you can just select which one crypto you want to purchase. From here, it should bring something like this. Now from here, there's this little icon up here where you can select and get this right here, the market or purchase, where you purchase simply the cryptocurrency. From here, you'll need to choose either a market or pending order, and you want to sell or buy. You can also add a stop loss or take profit by clicking on one of these right here, and you can unselect it by clicking again. Now from here, you can either select if you want to risk it, or you can select how many lots you want to purchase, and you can also change the lots to USD down here. From here, you can click buy, and then from here, you'll be able to see over here in the position and pending that the newest crypto will be visible right here. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!